That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia waganui tutu.
And hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
Tēnā tātou e te whānau, nau mai, hara mai, nau mai, hono mai ki ngā whenua mato rau atu o te moana ātoi ko taubito kuingoa nōku te marenga nui ki te mātakitahi i tēnei kemu. Me koutou kātoa e hono mai ana ingo kokona e whā o Aotearoa whānui. Kia ora everyone and welcome into the beautiful lush pastures of the Bay of Plenty, Tauranga Boys College. My name is Toby. It is my privilege to be watching this one alongside all of you joining in from across Aotearoa. He kemu hika rau atu kei te haere kei wainganui i ngā kura rangatira e rua o tira ko Tauranga rātou ko ngā motu. This is an exciting fixture to come up here in the Super 8 competition between the two renowned schools, that should be said, of Tauranga Boys College and New Plymouth Boys High School. Nō reira tātou e tatari ana kia timata while we wait to get underway. Kia titiro ki ngā tima e rua. Let's take a look at the two lineups. Strong teams coming in. And on the first time, we will have a look at the hosts. The props, Boudoir and Isaiah Sony with Matt Bell, the hooker. The locks, Charlton and Saliki Koro. Boudoir, Paynton and Spratley, the loose forward trio. McDonald and Curtis, the halfback and fly-half combination with Ray Potene, Satu, Maipi, Theron and McCoys making up the rest of the back line. Onto the bench, AJ Soper, Taikato Smith, Keeney, Hauler, Varane, the two Varanes, it should be said, and Sowa, Mitorato Kaiko and their coach, Aidan Kuka. And on the side of New Plymouth Boys, the props, Kiokata and Graham, with Dennis Whareaitu, the hooker, Gray and Han, the locks, Bryant, Werder, Davis, the loose forward trio, Sheehan, and the Frenchman, Lalumont, in the number 10 jersey, Revel, Maddock, Alisara, Wipiti Boylan and Sinclair. The rest of the back line, Brady, Kito, Lester, Punivalu, Taugaga, Gukits and Lekane making up the bench. Kua tīmata pai e nei tīme e rua, i o rātou mahi mo te tau nei. Both of these teams making a great start to their respective campaigns. Nō reira kare kore he ke mutino hikaka ki e nei tīma e rua. Kia eke pai tonu wai. I tēnei tau, I tēnei whakataitai, an important fixture for these two teams to continue strongly in the Super 8 competition. One of the more competitive school competitions, I was going to say in Aotearoa, but indeed across the globe. Tētahi o ngā tino whakataitai puta noa I te ao, I tēnei taumata o te futupōro. Ko tai mai te toko māhoki o ngā kaitou toko, Hei mā takitaki tēnei kēmu pai rau atu. Tai e tātou katoa te kite a rātou. E karapoti ana I tēnei papa mato meki. Plenty of support out for both of these two teams, ready to enjoy what is going to be a fantastic fixture. We can see them surrounding. It must be said, a lush field. We just had a second 15 game played on it, but it's held up very well. E rite tonu ana na te kēmu kei te haere. E rua ngā tima tino kaha I tēnei hākina o te Futuporo, two teams renowned for their rugby programs. New Plymouth Boys producing All Blacks, the likes of the captain in the mid-2000s, Ruben Thorne, and on the side of Tauranga, the hosts, another great All Blacks captain, Sam Cane. E tātou ki te ana I ngā manuhiri, ne uru ana ki te papa, me te kaha tautoko o rātou hoa, kua haere mai I ngā motu. As we see the guests making their way, the visitors that should be set on to the field, plenty of support as well from their lads who've travelled over as part of this Super 8 exchange. Koera tētai āhuatanga tino pai o tēnei whakataitai. Te tainga mai o te toko maha o ngā kaitākoro I ngā hākina maha. One of the great things about this Super 8 format is you get so many fantastic competitors across so many sports arriving. From rugby to football to basketball to hockey. It is an all-format competition and a fight for school supremacy. Ia tātou e tatari ana mō te haukainga, te taha haukainga me ki te uru mai ki te papa. Ka titiru tātou I etahi o ngā tauira, o ngā mutu, e tūwana ki muri I o rātou hoa. You can see some of the boys on exchange here from New Plymouth getting in behind their lads. Kore kei reira rātou, ki te tautoko I a rātou. Haka, no doubt they'll be getting involved with the challenge to come. E te iwi koera tētahi tino āhuatanga o ngā kura kēmu, o ngā kura o Aotearoa nei. Ko te haka tērā. Nō reira e te whānau, kia hīkaka, kia are mai ki tērā āhuatanga I a tātou tatari tonu ana ki a Tauranga. One of the fantastic aspects of school rugby here in Aotearoa is the haka. A unique chance for the lads to stand up, perform with pride in their badge, pride in their school. So while we wait for Tauranga, make sure to get excited for what will be a fantastic display of school pride, of mana, of ihi, of wehi, of wana. Tira ko te āhua nei. Kei te tatari tonu rātou ki a Tauranga, e whakamahi pai ana rātou, I te wā kei a rātou, making good use of their time, a Tauranga, just making us wait, building the suspense. Nō reira a tātou e tatari ana ki a rātou, me mihi ki e rā toko toru, ne tūana ki te taha MΑORI, o koutou rorohiku tiwi rānei. And while we wait, big shout out as well to those three lads just standing on the left-hand side of your screens. Ko ngā kaiwa wau, ko tai mai ki tēnei kaupapa. The referees who have arrived to games across the Super 8 and continue to support this fantastic competition. Mei kore ake rātou, e kore e nei kēmu e tū. Without them, these games would not be able to go ahead. So a big shout out to all of our fantastic referees. Ia te haukainga. E uru ana ki te papa I nei, and there are the hosts making their way onto the field with that famous anchor, the emblem of their school, in the hands of their captain. Te toko maho ki o rātou e mau pōtai ana, and plenty of those lads wearing those ceremonial first 15 caps. A symbol there of the experience of this Tauranga Boys side, 7 of their 23. With those taonga kei runga I o rātou mahunga. Toko toru noiho no ngā motu, only 3 of them for New Plymouth. So perhaps a sign that this is a much younger New Plymouth Boys side. A little bit more youth, perhaps not quite as much experience, but no doubt, no lack of skill, of energy and of passion. Nō reira e te iwi kia kātia te kōrero I reira. I'll let the talking stop there so we can all enjoy the fantastic spectacle that is the haka. Kia are mai. we te ihi, we te wehi, te wana, o e rā tima e rua, e whakātua nei tō rātou. Whakahi o tō rātou pōkereru ki o rātou kura e rua. The mana, the energy on display from both of those two teams, showing plenty of pride in their respective schools. Kaore kore, ka pera rawa te ngā o te hikaka o tēnei kēmu hoki. No doubt setting the tone for the energy, for the intensity we will see over the next 70 minutes of rugby. Muraria tātou, e tatari ana ki a timata, me mehi anō ki ngā kaitau toko tēnei kaupapa, o tira kia whakaata Māori, MāORI Plus. Me kore ake rātou e kore tēnei āheinga me ki e tuku kia mātakitaki e nei kēmu katoa. Without MāORI Plus and their fantastic support of this kaupapa, we would not have this fantastic opportunity to watch all of these games live and on demand. Nō reira, e kore te puna o ngā mihi e mimiti kia rātou katoa e riko tāna e pāpāhua nei tēnei whakataitai katoa. Big thank you to them for broadcasting this fantastic tournament across the nation. Kua timata, and it will be New Plymouth Boys. He tākarona mai te matau ki te maui. Tauranga mai te maui ki te matau. Boys from the mounts, playing from left to right. Taranaki from right to left. He starts off with a clearing kick. Ooh, ka tere. E timata o Tauranga. Tauranga going for the quick start. Not looking to waste any time, having to build some energy here early in the first. He's able to get it out. Ki tera. Pariro Maui. Ki tau a rua te kaumārua mita. Close to that 22-metre line. Katsuka no ki wainga. Strong carry. Crashes into the line, and now they'll go back to the centre once more. They'll leave it to the forwards to drive their way downfield as now they look to play with a bit more expanse. Just dragged to ground there. Where's the number 15? McCoy. McDonald lays it in to Saliki Koro. One of the two, Kaifitiki for Tauranga. Neke no ki te taha maui, side to side stuff here, looking to use the expanse of their backline as now they have a numbers out on the left hand side, brings them down. Now is Rei Portene with a strong carry. Te ahua nei kua tāhaitia. E ngā motu, a steal right at the moment where they most needed it for New Plymouth. They can't find touch. Tauranga. Ka hoki anō. McCoy with the offload ki tōna. Ko te kai kapetera. Matt Bell, te piro tuatahi, te tarai tuatahi o te kēmu nei. The first try of the game goes the way of Tauranga. It was a fantastic break. Mā te hiku a rā ko Tommy McCoy. I reira tōna hoa ki tōna hiwi matau. He had his man on his right hand shoulder. Te makapoto, the little offload, got it away. And in just to the right of the sticks, Tauranga take the 5-0 leads. Te kuruwhakau hoki kei te haere. Mai te taha matau. It will be a conversion attempt from the right hand side for the kai pariro matau, the right winger, Nathan Theron. Koira te timatanga I pirangi ai rātou. That's the kind of start they would have been after. The hosts stamping some authority early on this one. Ka re te whanawhakau ki te taha maui me ki tata ki te fififi me aku matau me aku maui. Almost got my lefts and rights mixed up, but that kick did go to the left hand side in fact. So it remains a 5-point advantage for Tauranga. Ngā motu, e timata anō. It will be New Plymouth to get us underway once more from the halfway line. Te whana hohonu ki taua taha maui. Happy to go deep in the left-hand side, perhaps put a little bit of pressure on Tauranga. Tuirui nai nei kia rātou, kia uma mai tō rātou ake, rua te kaumārua mita. Putting the challenge on them to run it out from their own 22, and a good strong carry. As now they look to clear from the boots of their fly half Curtis, who's found grass. It was a tough bounce, well controlled in the end for Ngāmotu, as they're forced to put it out. And Tauranga once more, Curtis, happy to take it quickly. Stariki Koro. Kawe kahana ki tēnei tahatapa, carrying strongly up this near side. Ngāmotu, Terutu, nā te namatahi. Strong challenge there from the number one, Kiokata. As now Tauranga find a gap on that left-hand side. Engari ia rātou, te huanga, they had the advantage. Reka hoki anō ki te paiwehe, will come back to the halfway line. Offside the call against the Pauroto, the tight head prop Samuel Graham. Reka tituru rātou ki te taha maui. I'll look to that left-hand sideline. Te rapia te rārangi ki waho tuatahi o te kemu nei, first line out of the game. Ngā wai e rua. Kua tau, kua kōwhiri a Tauranga ki te tuku tere. I tērā poro mai ngā taha e rua. Two occasions now that Tauranga have opted to put that ball in quickly from the two respective sidelines. Obviously looking to play with some intensity, play with some speed. Now the Rarangi ki waho. Tsukiki Wainganui. They set the drive and then they laid it off to the inside centre, Te Toporua. Carrying strongly with Satu. And now, the tight end prop, Sony. Tsukiki Wainganui. Inches left now, as now they go wide. Irera te kaipariro ki te taha matau. He was out on the right-hand side. The diving finish. Me te tarai Tsuarua ki Nathan Theron. Fantastic diving put down in the right-hand corner. Kua ono minutes noa, engari e rua ke ngā tarai ki Tauranga. Just 6 minutes gone, but already 2 scores for the boys in blue. As now it will be Theron with the whanawhakau to try and convert his own try. Kauaua, pai tēnei taha matau. Tino tata ki te pai taha. It'll be a tough one from this right-hand side. Only half a metre or so out from the sideline. Ka pēhea. Karere anō ki taua taha maui. It was a good strike, but it just goes out to the left-hand side. Nō reira te kau ki te kore. E whitu ngā minutes kua hipa I tēnei haurua tuatahi. 7 minutes gone here in the first half. Tauranga maintain a 10-point leads. Nō reira ko te werui nai nei. O Ngāmotu me pēhea rātau e whai whakautu ki tēnei wero. Kua whakatakatoria e ngā manuhiri. Oh my goodness. E te hau kainga. Getting my hosts and my visitors mixed up. It's been a rough start to the game for yours truly. What I was trying to say is the challenge now for New Plymouth to try and find a response to this challenge that has been laid down by the host as Tauranga take it down through McDonald's. Goes to ground and they'll continue. No, they will go. O te pauaka, te whana pauaka. Received at the back for Ngāmotu. Titiruana ki taua kōkona, looking to that corner, can't quite find touch. Tauranga. Low, driven kick towards the right-hand side, controlled at the back for Ngāmotu. The strong tackle, picked him up and dumped him. In the end, managed to reset Ngāmotu. Tsuki taua taha matau. Looking to find space on the right-hand side, has to cut back in field now. Mōkiri ana ki mua. Waihoana ki ngā pau mua. Just leaving it to the forwards to try and get them into better field position is now the dummy half. Going for a little drive of his own. Whanarewa, chip kick over the top. Engari ia rātou, te huanga tonu, they still had that advantage. No reka hoki anō. Ki te rua te kaumārua mita. We'll return once more to the 22-metre line. Hea hainga I nai anei. Mō ngā motu. Ki te whai wai, roto tonu I te haurua o Tauranga. Chance for them to find some time inside Tauranga territory. Possession's been sparse, and territory even more so. Reira koinei tētahi a hainga tino pai mā rātou. Te whai, tai piro tōmu tonu ana I tēnei haurua tuatahi. Chance for them to find some points early on in the first half. Te kaunga piro ana ki te rereketanga, just 10 points the difference with those 2 missed kicks. Important that they can score here, try and wrestle back some momentum. Te rārangi ki waho, ai te taha matau, sends it in. Taken in at the back, engari. Kari tōtika wasn't straight, the call from the referee. Costly mistake for ngā motu, as now Tauranga put up an absolute bomb. Watsuka ki ngā kapua up in the clouds, well taken at the back for ngā motu. Tsukui Naina ki te rataha maui. They'll send it now to the left-hand side. Dragged down in the tackle. There's now Sheehan. Through the hands of Lulemont. The Frenchman looking to work as a pillar for that back line. Koetiro Kātera. Nā te pau waho ki o kata. The Lucian now they get it out to the right-hand side. Tauranga. Tērā pātū e tūkaha nei tēnei wā. That defensive wall standing strong as ngā motu. Struggling to find a way out here. Tērā pia ka ngana rātou. Ki te whana ki te taha. They might look to kick to the sideline here. No, they'll look to spread it. Expensive stuff from ngā motu, but they're only going backwards. Te whana pauaka. Eventually Sheehan does go for the box kick and he finds the sideline. Tua te rua te kaumārua mita, just beyond the 22-metre line. Kua timata pai, a Tauranga I tā rātou mahi ārai. Good defensive start here from Tauranga. Managing to get up and really squeeze the life out of that ngā motu attack. Nai nei ko te wero ki a rātou. A tāne mai taranaki, kia pērā anō hoki. Now the challenge for New Plymouth to do the same. As Tauranga set the driving maul, up to go off the back. It was the number 1 with the number 8, Cade Davis. And now they head out to the left-hand side. Ireirangang Nama digging it out. Strong tackle on the first 5. Engari ia rātou tonu, te rahuanga, another advantage. A good dump tackle on Curtis, managed to get him down, but off the back of that maul. Katitira rātou ki ngā pau. Sensible play, they'll look to the post from right out in front. Look to add the extra 3 and go into a 2-try margin. Theron, kare kore. Ka whakawhetai āhua MāORI ake. Tēnei whana I ngā whana o mua. No doubt he'll be grateful for a slightly easier kick than his previous 2. He's been out on the sideline. He will relish his opportunity. Ki te whana mai mua I ngā pau to have a go from in front of the posts. Katsikoki nails it. Almost nails a car as well in the background. Ki ngā kai tautoko terapia kia ngekihia. O kā, o moto kā me ki me koutou. Perhaps the spectators might want to have a look at moving their cars out of the way. As Tauranga. Mā te kaumātoru I nai nei, now up by 13. Piru ia meneti. Hei timutai tēnei kēmu. Going at a point a minute to get this one underway. Engari kei reira tonu a ngā motu. Ko whakātau rātau. Ko whakātu rātau me ki. I ētahi. O rātau pukinga kaore anō kia tino whai rerohanga. As that one squirts away and Tauranga have their hands on the ball. Off he goes down the left-hand side. The offload back in field. It was taken in. Scrappy play. Engari ka hoki anō ki te paiwehe will come all the way back to halfway for the penalty advantage. Or was it a knock-on advantage? Knock-on advantage, in fact, for Tauranga, as I was saying. We've seen New Plymouth show some of their skills. Haven't yet had much possession to really work much in this one. Buttoned out. If they can get their hands on the ball and hold it, they'll find plenty of opportunity to strike back here. Te kakari tuatahi o te kēmu nei kia Tauranga. The first scrum of the game goes the Tauranga way. 14 minutes in, and this is the first scrum. All you Box fans out there, eat your heart out. New Zealand rugby at its finest. Tauranga. Kei reira te tuara, e toro ana ki te taha MΑORI. That back line stretching out to the left-hand side. You wonder whether they might try and swing it off the back here. Potentially try and use that width. Strong scrum from ngā motu. Forcing them back as now they do look to get it wide. Good tackle there. Getting up out of the line were ngā motu. Tauranga. Kōkiri ana ki te Ritako Marua Mita, driving towards that 22-metre line as now they shift back on the inside. Koe Kahana. Te pau waho. Strong carry from the Lucy. Jacob Bidwa. Now out right to Matt Bell, ranging away down the right-hand side. I reira tōna hoa ki tōna pokohiwi MAORI. Ara. Ko te kai whitiki. A Saliki Koro me te tarai tuatoru o te kēmu nei. He had his man on his left-hand shoulder. It was the lock forward, Saliki Kiro Meki. And that is the third try of this one. Tauranga dominant thus far in the opening 15. Kura tētai āhotanga ka kaha kitea I te kēmu o Naia nei, te mahi o ngā kaimua o tira, ngā kai kape ki ngā parirau e rua. Something we see a lot in the modern game, the work of the forwards, but especially the hookers out on the two wings. And there he was, Matt Bell, ranging down the right-hand side, and good support given as well by Saliki Koro to carry that one into the right-hand corner. Thuron, mai te taha matau. Strikes it sweetly and the line is good. Te kuru whakau tuatahi o te kēmu nei e rua ngā pero anō kia Tauranga. Rua te kau ki te kore. The first successful conversion of this one. A beautiful kick from the right-hand side and Tauranga take the extra 2 to lead by 20 points to 0. High kick-off, contestable for ngā motu. I reira no Asaliki Koro. E whakamahi ana o tōna tā Rotorua. Using his height well. As now Tauranga. Te whanapauaka. E rere ana ki Wainganui, flies up the centre. Good chase by Thuron and he smokes him. Knocks the ball loose. E ka hoki o taua rutu nā te parirau matau. Strong tackle from the right winger is now Saliki Koro. Kia hia ngā wā ka koro tia taua ingoa. How many times are we going to say that name as Tauranga? Look to shift to the left-hand side, trying to bust up the middle. Te nama. Te kaumātoru. Matsu te maipi. Kua tāhiti anō. E ngā motu. Timely steal for the boys in the white and black hoops. As now they'll look to shift it through their hands. Kōkiri ana ki Wainganui. Te kuru. Ki te taha MAORI. Sends it out to the left-hand side. Tauranga now look to drive it in towards the corner. It was a good effort. I reira no ngā motu ki muri. Tauranga will look to kick once more. The high ball Coming down on the side of Ngā Motu. Taka ki muri, I reira Tauranga. E whai ana, te rehi, te poro. Me te pau muri, there was a race between the ball and I believe it was actually the first five. Finn Curtis sped out of the backline for Tauranga and he was up to the races. Ball just trickles over and goes dead before he could get a hand on it. Reira ka kakari anō ki Wainganui. Scrum once more. Te ahua nei he whara. Ki te rua te kaumarua mita ko te tūmanako nei he MāORI i tinoa. Perhaps a little injury just on the 22-metre line there for Ngā Motu. Hopefully nothing major. Nō reira ia rātau e tatari ana mō taua kai tākaro rā. Me mihi anō ki ngā kai tautoko o tēnei kaupapa. Tira kia Bailey's, Celtics, Apollo Projects, Nativa, Anchor. Mei kore ake rātau e kore tēnei whakataitai e tū. Nō reira me mihi kātika kia rātau katoa e tautoko mai ana i o a tātou rangatahi me o rātau hākinekina. Big shout outs while we get back underway to all of our sponsors for their endless support of our whakataitai. Without them, this competition, this Super Rates would not be able to go ahead, so we do continue to thank them for their endless support of our rangatahi and their sports. It's now Ngā Motu. Ngana rātau ki te hanga mai tō rātau ake haurua. They'll look to build from their own half. Te whiu I te kakari. Penalty at scrum time for Tauranga. Going to grounds. Looks like it was on the tight head side for Ngā Motu. Ka titiru anō ki ngā pau as the captain, Khan Charlton, indicates that he's happy to go to the post once more. Toro tonu wana I taua āputa, looking to just continue to stretch that gap out to 23. Kātua nei tō rātau kaha ki ngā taha e rua o te Kimu nei, showing their strength on both sides of the game here at the moment. Ā Tauranga. Kua tino koi, kua tino mō rea rea tō rātau tuara. That back line very dangerous, and now the forwards getting stuck in as well. Dominant start for the hosts. Ka rere ki te taha maui. But looks things out to the left-hand side. He definitely didn't miss the car park though. Interested to see if anyone's making an AA claim this afternoon. O reira ko hoki anō ki te rua te kaumarua mita. New Plymouth, te rapea koira, te mea, e whakakā nei tō rātau. Kemu, could that be the thing that sparks their game into life? Is now Tauranga. Strong return, but taken down. Nā te pau waho. The loose head prop for New Plymouth. Putting on a serious shot there was Kiokata. Now the captain, Charlton. Kawe tonu wana Kimua, carrying strongly. Ngā Motu claiming the ball is out. No call from the referee. Tukua no. Kia sali ki koro. Reira ngā nama ki te taha maui, numbers out on the left-hand side, almost getting up to the intercept there. Were Ngā Motu. Pai tonu ana ki te kaiwa while still no call from the referee a tātou e whakawhiti ana. E taua pai taha as we cross that far sideline. E rārengi ki waho ki a Ngā Motu. Good defensive set for the boys in black and white there. Inai ana hia heinga. Ooh, ka tino tere tērā timatanga. Getting off to a quick start, didn't even give me time to debrief that last play, as they put it in fairly quickly, but Tauranga have now stolen it away. Reira ka tuka no ki Wainganui. Through the hands. Busting the offload off to his fullback. Te wheta. Me te maka poto. Oh, ka pakuhui ngā kaiwa wau. We'll have a quick discussion, but if he scored it, that is one heck of a try. No, referee says it just drifted forward. It was a fantastic step and break. Nā te haururu o Tauranga, Arako McDonald's. And he got the offload away, almost managed to get it down. Engari ka tingata no a ngā motu mai tō rātou pai tarai. Looking for distance, and he does pretty well. Gets it up towards halfway, and now returning it is Curtis. Ahua kaharawa, taua maka. A little bit strong on that pass across to the sideline, so ngā motu still standing strong on defense. Ka tai e rātou te whakawhiti taua MāORI ki te whakaeke. Can they turn all of this defending effort and some attacking momentum? Ko tahaitia notia e Tauranga. But they were offside. Nai nei ha heinga. Mo ngā motu ki te tuku taua pōro ki te haurua o Tauranga. Chance for ngā motu to send that ball down into the Tauranga half. Korotia ketia taua āhuatanga te hiranga o te rirohanga me te whai wāhi. We've already spoken about how crucial it is to have possession and territory. And now a rare chance for the boys in black and white to find a bit of both. Te rārangi ki waho. Ki wainga does well to just held it up. Saliki Koro picked it very well, but tricky stuff from ngā motu. He's now carrying strongly. Once more, Pera Pau Waho ki o kata. Now giving it off. Kai Muri, ngā Pau Muri. Ko kiri ana ki mua. Charge down is the clearing kick. Ka taua no kia ngā motu once more down on the New Plymouth side. As now they look to shift it through the hands. Towards this near side. Jackal was on. It's fantastic work over the ruck, over the kitsu. Nā Tauranga, engari kea New Plymouth ponu te rirohanga. Looking to hold him up. Former a kaunuku, a ruck, a maul I should say. Goodness me, getting my terms mixed up. But the referee will call us back. When they hear fewer no kia ngā motu, it will be a penalty once more with New Plymouth. Here Charlton. I whakatawhatu ana ki te kaiwa wao. Hei tuku i ona whakaro. Captain for Tauranga just heading over to the referee perhaps to share his thoughts on that one. But it will be a ngā motu penalty. Titiro no rātou ki te taha. They'll look once more to the sideline. E rapu tonu ana I taua whakautu, still looking for that response. A good kick. Drives it down. Kitsua te kaumita o Tauranga. Just beyond the 10-metre line inside Tauranga territory. Be here rātou e whakamahi tēnei ahenga. How can they use this opportunity? Ngā motu. Sticking to that quick line-out note. Taking a little bit more time on this one as they go to the back. Tauranga almost with the steal. They'll send it out to the right-hand side through the hands and breaking up the centre. I reira te āputa. Me ngā hoki, the gap was there. Plenty of wheels as now as support arrives. Looking to spark it here. New Plymouth. Just centimetres away. Pick and go stuff for the boys in the black and whites. Ngā Paumuri. E rapu ana I tērā tarai tuatahi. The forwards go to work, looking for that first try. Building the phases now. Kimi me te kōkiri anō. Another pick and go. New Plymouth, Tino Tatatonu, they're not far away. Still driving. Katsuki ki te taha matau, they send it out to the right-hand side. Kua taka ki mua. Just knocked on for ngā motu. Engari, koe rato rātou āheinga tuatahi o te kēmu nei me ki. Their first real opportunity of the game. Encouraging stuff for ngā motu. Losing possession, but a scrum still deep inside Tauranga territory. Anei te āheinga I pirangi ai rātou. This is the kind of opportunity they were after. Can they continue to pile on that pressure? The scrum will set in about 5 metres out from the line. It was a fantastic break. for New Plymouth Boys. Sparked out on the right wing by Wipiti Boylan. The gap was there, he went straight up the centre. A little bit of something, perhaps to spark some life in this Ngā Motu team. Referee, Pakakoroana, ki ngā kaimua, just having a quick chat with the forward packs, making sure all of their preparations are correct. Reira Katimata no. Front rows almost lifting. Tauranga do manage to get it out. Good strong tackle from the captain, Nate Werder. Getting up for Ngā Motu. Me te few hoki and the penalty. Ka Timata Tere, they'll start quickly. Tukuana ki taua taha maui. He's got a chance on the left-hand side. Tuana ki te paitaha, just standing on the sideline. Engari reira tonu te huanga. Still had the advantage. It was inspired stuff from the captain. The open side flanker, te pau tūwhira. Te whāna I taua pero mai muri te kakari from the back of the scrum, getting the turnover. And now will be once more a scrum, but this time the feed. Kia Ngā Motu. E rima ngā minutes ia toia nei tēnei haurua tuatahi. I think I've been saying quarter accidentally this whole game e te iwi. Haurua te kuputika mō taua āhuatanga. 5 minutes left here in the first half. New Plymouth looking to find some points and really change the direction of this fixture. Strong scrum, screws around. Katsuki te taha matau. Sends it out, stepping, reaching just short. Ngā Motu, centimetres away. Kimi me te kōkiri, pick and go. Ka waiho ki ngā paumua. They'll leave it to the forward pack, a kōkiri ki te raina. Now they'll look to spread it. Te wheta, mai tōna waiwai maui, me tatarai hoki. Stepped off the left foot, stretched out. And Bastion, Lalumon. Te tarai tuatahi mō ngā maruhiri. The first try for the visitors goes to the fly half. Rua te kau ki te rima, 20 now plays 5. It was a quick decision. I reira o nā hoa ki te taha maui. He had plenty of men on the left-hand side, was going to swing it. Ended up looking to step off his left foot. Te toro hoki. I reira ngā kaiara I e toru pea. Engari hei aha rātou. Had 3 defenders in front of them, but what were they for? Driving through, reaching out. Te ara pea koira, te mea. E whakakā nei, I tēnei tima no Ngā Motu. Is that the thing that will spark this New Plymouth team to life? Lalumon, mai te taha matau. Drives it low and hard, te taha matau. Just out to the right-hand side. Nō reira ka hoki anō ki Wainganui. E toru ngā minutes ia toia nei tēnei haurua tuatahi. 3 minutes left here in the first. New Plymouth firing their first shot across the bow of Tauranga. Can they dislodge that anchor and set them adrift here? Taking it down to the back. As Wipiti sends it up the centre and now Tauranga. Almost breaking through is Tahiku, te nama te kaumārima, Sinclair. Ka hoki anō ki Wainganui, once more back to the centre. Neke tonu ana ki taua taha matau, shifting it to that left-hand side, now stepping, carrying strongly through the gap. Goes the toparua, the number 12, Jermaine Maddock. My apologies, that is in fact Cohen Sachu. Now Curtis spots the gap. Kawe tonu ana ki te raina. Te tarai tua whā mō te hau kainga. Ka tau ki te topatahi a rā ko Curtis. The fourth try for the hosts goes the way of the fly half. The number 10 finding a way through and dotting down just before the halftime break. It will be Theron. Hei te taha matau. Ko tahi noa te minutes ia toia nei te inei haurua tsuatahi. Te rapea ka nawhi taua wā kia timata anō ai. Just a minute to go here in the first. Perhaps enough time for a restart. So, might not have seen the end of this first period. As the kick. Ka rere anō ki te tahamaui just draws round to the left. Last play the call from the sideline. Nō reira koe nei te ahenga whakamutunga mō ngā motu. Ki te whai piru I tēnei haurua tuatahi meki. Final chance here for New Plymouth to find some points in the first as they send it out to the left-hand side. You wonder if Tauranga might be happy to just put it out, but it has been stolen. Ngā motu. Me te rirohanga, kei roto tonu I te haurua o Tauranga with the possession within Tauranga territory. Now they look to drive up the centre. Thought about the offload, goes to ground instead. Kisu ketu ana mo te pōro. Rucking in for it, Wō Tauranga. Wō Tauranga, kei te aha hau e Tiwi. Hei reira te whiu hoki, and there's the penalty. You have to wonder if they might use this as an opportunity to just close out the half. And they will. Koe rā te whakamutunga o te haurua tuatahi, ko te hau kainga. E toa ana mā te rua te kau mā rima ki te rima. Ki rungi a ngā motu, that is the end of the first half. It is Tauranga, the hosts, up by 20. 25-5 over New Plymouth Boys. Engari kau e tā wāhi e te iwi. Don't go anywhere he te whānau. He haurua hika ka rawatu anō kei te haere. Mai e Tauranga.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whia ko Pauri, hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in this. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, we're about to have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki MāORI Plus me whakaata Māori.
Hey! Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off the steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house. From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Au mai hoki mai anō e te whānau. E nei ke mu hika rau atu kei wainganui a Tauranga rātau. Ko te kura o ngā tamatoa o ngā motu. I reira, te hua o te haurua tuatahi a rā e toa ana te haukainga mā te rua te kau ngā piro ki runga I ngā maruhiri. Kia ora everyone and welcome back to this, the second half of action between Tauranga and New Plymouth. As you can see on your screen, the result of the first half, a 20-point lead for the hosts. Engari kare e kore, ka whakapano tonu. Ngā manuhiri katai e rātou, te whai whakautu. I tēnei haurua tuarua, no doubt. The visitors will continue. Oh my goodness. Tell you what, I've gotten off to a terrible start to the second half, getting myself tongue-tied, and we haven't even got underway. What I was trying to say is no doubt the visitors will be continuing to believe they can find a way back into this one in the 35 minutes to come. Nō reira ka tākaro. A ngā motu mai te maui ki te matau. Tauranga mai te matau ki te maui. Ngā motu will come out from left to right. Tauranga from right to left. As we get underway from the boots of the fly half. Lalumo. And Tauranga take it in inside their own 22. No stolen, in fact, by ngā motu. And they'll take a quick drive up the left-hand side. I reira te āputa ki te parirau maui. Tēnō tata. Mo te nama te kaumā whā. Real close there for the number 14. Kororei Upiti Bailon. As now ngā motu. To the right-hand side now. Lalumo. Te maka. Poto ki tōna pukuhiwi matau. A little offload to his right shoulder and now cutting back inside. Ngā motu. Kōkiri ana. Sheehan looks left. Well, taka te pōro. And the ball has gone to ground. Just dropped there by one of the Paumua mō ngā motu. As Tauranga find themselves going sideways, we will return once more mō te kakari. Engari, kei roto tonu I te rua te kaumārua mita o Tauranga, still within the 22 for the host. So, ngā motu. Ia hainga tonu mō rātou. Ki te whai ngā piro tuatahi o tēnei haurua tuarua. Still an opportunity for them to find the first points of this second half. Me mea katai e rātou te whai whiu. Mai tēnei kakari. If they can find a penalty from this shove, might give them the opportunity to open the second half up. Now the kick sent away from Tauranga. Good kick at that. It was a tight angle he was working with. Engari ka tau ki te paiwehe. Will go all the way down to the halfway line. Looks like a couple substitutions coming in from the ngā motu bench. Iwa, the number 17, Eroni Kito, and the number 19, William Punivalu. Looks like Dominic Gray and Samuel Graham making way. I reira te āputa. Ai ki ngā kai tautoko he maka whakamua. Ka whakai te kai wa wau. Sideline quick to call that out as a forward pass, and the referee agrees with them. But once again, Kororei Upiti Bailon showing his danger, finding gaps in this Tauranga defence. Kauki anō ki te haurua o ngā motu. Kakari ai ko te whāngai ki a Tauranga. We'll come back into ngā motu territory for a scrum with Tauranga feed. Pakuraru ki tēnei taha tata. Just a bit of an issue there on the near side. Nō reira ka timata anō ko te ahua nei he ahau I muara. I think I made a mistake there earlier. It is in fact Kiokata making way for Kito. Samuel Graham still locking in here on the tight side. There's now Tauranga. Ooh, a cheeky offload out to his right winger. I reira te aputa me te rutu hoki. Te ruku me ki taua koko na matau. And the diving finish into the right-hand corner. It was a fantastic offload and it found his right winger. Ara Kotheron. And it is Tauranga. Mā te rua te kaumārima, up by 30 points to 5. It was sharp work. Ki taua taha matau, I reira te aputa ko tai atu ki Wainganui me te makapoto. Ki tōna pukuhiwi matau. Saw the gap, went straight through it up the right-hand side, and the little offload to the man on his right-hand shoulder, the Benji Marshall. Ki te tatau ki muri me ki out the back door. And now a chance for Tauranga to add the 2.
We'll just let us know when you want it. Yeah. Just bring him over to here and I'll. Yep. Is that going to be tactical?
The kick comes in. Ka rere ki te taha matau. Just flies to the right-hand side. It was a good strike. Can't quite find the mark. And so Tauranga. Toru te kau ki te rima. 30 plays 5. E rima ngā miniti ko hipa I tēnei haurua tuarua. 5 minutes gone here in the second half. The hosts with a comfortable lead. Ngari timata pai a ngā motu I tēnei haurua. Ia rātou te nuingo te riruhanga I era miniti e rima. Me te wāhi hoki te whai wāhi kei roto tonu I te haurua o Tauranga. But it's still a strong start for ngā motu. They had the majority of the possession in that opening 5 minutes and some good territory as well within the Tauranga half. Reire kore kore kei reira tonu te āheinga. Te hoki mai anō I tēnei kēmu. Still the opportunity to return in this one if they can start to find some attacking momentum once more. There's te pauaka, te whana pauaka. Pass a little bit strong out to the left-hand side. Might end up working out here for Tauranga as off they go. The ever dangerous Wipiti Balin. Breaking tackles, getting the ball away. Engari Takakimua just knocked on. Proving to be a real hard one to stop. Steike Matau, mō ngā motu, the right winger for the boys from New Plymouth.
You're a champion. Yeah, thank you.
Ore kakakria no ki taua tahata wāhi. We'll scrum in once more on the far side. Kia Tauranga te whāngai. Tauranga with the feed. Tauranga getting a good shove on. Hinaia nei ka tuku ki Wainganui. The little poipa throws the dummy, steps in. Here's Curtis. Ke rera tonu ngā nama ki te tahata wāhi. Numbers out to the right-hand side as they now look to access them. Strong carry. Goes to grounds. Sheehan. Gives it back to Theron. Ngā motu. Taking it in. Te ahua nei he whiu ki a Tauranga. Perhaps an offside call against ngā motu. Nō reira hea heinga I nai nei. Mō Tauranga ki te titiro ki taua taha no. Chance once more for Tauranga to look to that far sideline. Whakarite ai I tētahi. Arārangi ki waho. Short line out for Tauranga. Te rārangi Potomeki. Ia rātau e tuku ana ki te taha maui. Into the hands of the dangerous left winger, Isaiah Reipotene. But it's been stolen away by Ngāmotu. Now back with Reipotene. Naokia no. O te Takatuatahi will come back for the first knock on against Tauranga. Reira kakakari anō, engari kia Ngāmotu te whāngai tēnei wā. Scrumming it in once again, this time New Plymouth with the feed. Nei, taru tonu ana. Ngā pēke e rua. Just some issues for the two forward packs. Nō reira ka whakarite anō. Te ahua nei. Ka tukua taua pōro ki tahata wāhi. Might see that ball sent out to the far side. Te rā tuarai e toru ana ki taua taha. Backline stretching out that way, and they do look to get it through the hands. Shifting it, trying to find some space on the wing. Can't quite do so. Driven towards the touchline and driven over. Fantastic defensive effort for Tauranga. Orera kia rātou te rārangi ki waho. They will have the line out. Mai taua taha matau. Te ahua nei, te tai whakawhiti hoki. Mō taua pēke, looks like perhaps the number 8. Cooper Spratley making way for the number 19, Jalen Horder. As now, looking to shift it, just goes right. Cleaned up now by the Ron. Tukano, kia Reipotene. Ketsu ana mo te pōro, Ngāmotu. Digging for it, can't find a way. He's now Tauranga. Tukua no ki Wainganui. Now shifting it through the hands. Some space on the right-hand side. Taua maka, Kairere mua. That last pass on its way out to Matthew Bell. Just drifting forwards.
Substitution.
Orera kakakari anō ki taua tahata wāhi. Scrum once more on the far side.
One's off, one's coming off now.
He tai whakawhiti.
Off now, mate. Done.
Mai te pai o Tauranga. It sounds like from the sideline. Te Maipi and Reipotene making way for the hosts. Tai hoa kia ki te ai ko wai ngā tāngata e whakaki ana i era aputa. We'll have to wait and see who is filling those gaps. Is now back on the inside for Ngāmotu. Crashing up the centre. Lalumo. E nganana ki te whakaka i tērā mahi whakaeke, looking to just spark that attack. Not rolling away the call. I lai ki te kaiwa wao tika tonu. Ngāmotu. Titiro tonu ana ki taua taha maui. Still looking out to the left-hand side through the hands. Once more. It was Wipiti Bailon looking to get something started. Engari e rātou tonu tērā huanga. Ka hoki anō ki tēnei tātata. They've had that penalty advantage. Offside, according to the referee, pretty much the whole backline. O reira, ko te ahua nei, tino whakaponoia ki tāna iki ai. Looks like he didn't have many doubts about that one there. There's Ngāmotu. Kare kore ka titiro ki te kokona. They'll look to the corner. And Lalumo does a good job of it as well. Oreira tērā pea. He kaunuku kōkiri kei te haere. Perhaps a driving maul to come. Bok fans rejoice. As we see a couple more substitutions for Tauranga. Halfback Nate McDonald and Matt Bell making way, I believe, for Sam Veron. AJ Soper. Throw not straight. Kama mai tira. Mō ngā motu, that one will sting for ngā motu. Naini hia heinga mō Tauranga. Te tuku i taua pōro. Tata tonu ki te pai wehe. Chance to send it down towards halfway. As Tauranga survive once more. Ngā motu take it quickly. They now look to swing it across to the left-hand side. Tauranga. Tino tere ki te whakarite anō i tō rātou rārangi. Quick to reorganise their defensive line as now Ngā motu. Carry it up to the 10-metre line. Strong carry. The man on the pink scrum cap for Ngā motu. On the ground once more. Neke tonu ki tēnei tahatata. They'll keep moving it to this near side. Strong carry there for the number 12, Jermaine Maddock. Handling error there means it does come down with Tauranga, and now breaking tackles. And number 6, Herepete Bidwa. Strong one there coming through and putting on a great shot. Mete Fiu Hoki. And the penalty. Ngā motu ka tere tonu. Whakaatu ana I tō rātou rautaki nai showing us their strategy at the moment. Kia tere, kia horo. Not looking to waste any time as they in turn concede a penalty. You win some, you lose some. And now Tauranga will take the opportunity to go right back down to where it all started. E rārangi ki waho anō. Tapaki te pai wehe.
Substitution black, substitution black. Number 9, black 9.
And it looks like the number 9 for Ngā motu. Strong performance from Heath Sheehan. Making way, I believe, for Taj Kaugaga. And now Tauranga looking to swing it across. It has been dropped. Me te karanga mai te taha. Kia mahi anō, and the call from the sideline. Let's go again, let's go again. Kia pēra tonu a Ngā motu. Rua te kau ngā minutes ia toi ana I tēnei kēmu. Rua te kau mā rima ngā piro te rerekētanga. 20 minutes left in this one, 25 points the difference. They need to keep going with everything they've got here. As the scrum sets. Now they look to shift it through Taugaga. Goes to grounds. And Tauranga stepping off his left foot and dropping the ball. Reira ko ngā raru. E puta mai ana I ngā tima e rua, te rapea he hua o te ngenge, te ruanga o tēnei kēmu. Error is starting to arise for both teams. Perhaps the fatigue starting to set in. Over 50 minutes of rugby played. Starting to show a little bit on both sides of the field. Reira kakakri anō, ki Wainganui. They scrum in once more. Good squeeze is now Ngā motu through the hands of Lalumo. Tauranga now close to that sideline. Look to re-centre. Good tackle up. Engari ko te āhua nei. Paku hapata tera mahira. Just a little mistake, perhaps getting up offside. As now Tauranga will take the opportunity to send it once more towards the sideline. There's now Tauranga. We'll put it in from the far sideline. They look to target Saliki Koro. No, in fact, they go to their captain. Charlton is now the driving kick. It's Tauranga ki taua kokona looking to that corner. Well collected at the back for Lalumo. Gets smoked by the chasing player. Hai tonu ki te kaiwa wao. Referee has no issue with it. In fact, that was the number 22 for Ngā Motu, George Lacane. Tauranga. Chance to spread it to the left-hand side. Just dropping it is Sachu. Kaokia no ki te tahata wahi will return to the far side. Penalty advantage for Tauranga. And Tauranga. Oh, he paku hui. Kei wainganui I te kaiwa wao me te kai āwhina. Little discussion between referee and assistant. And is that a red card? He kāri whero. Ko te āhua nei kia Tauranga. It is a red card against Tauranga. I believe it's Finn Curtis. Te ohorere hoki. Kaori au I paku kawatau I tērā. I was not expecting that. Nō reira. Ka tākaro. A Tauranga I te toinga o tēnei kēmu me ngā kaitākaro te kaumāwhā. And so the rest of this fixture for Tauranga will be played with 14 men. E te whānau kua whai oranga anō tēnei kēmu. This game has been given a whole new lease of life. Can Ngā Motu capitalise and find a way back into this one from absolutely nowhere? It's now Ngā Motu. In Makapoto, a little offload from the prop forward, Samuel Graham. 55 minutes in the legs and he's still going. Is now Ngā Motu finding some space down the wing and now coming back at it. Tauranga, steps one, steps two, breaking tackles. Throwing the ball back in field, but it only gets as far as a Kaiare. Ngā Motu. Kei reira tonu ngā aputa ki ngā taha he rua. Gaps on both sides if they can start to access those wide channels. Tauranga, kua tāiti anō. Stolen once more by the hosts as now they look to drive. Skuanoki Wainganui. Sent once more up the centre. Now finding the gap. I reira te aputa. Aka. Hua mai te tarai. Mai raro I ngā pou. And the try comes from it beneath the sticks for the fullback. Tommy McCoy. Look for all money like Ngā Motu. We're looking to build something there, and then Tauranga got the steal, shifted it into the centre. Me te koi hoki o taua tuara. And the sharpness, the danger that backline presents, slicing through Ngā Motu. Oru te kaumārima ki te rima ina nei. Now 35 points to 5. Me te kuru whakau kei te haere mai mua. MāORI noa, nice and easy from right out in front. Toru te kauma whitu ki te rima. 37 plays 5 now as Tauranga. Te kauma toru ngā minutes ia toina I tēnei kēmu te hera pia. Kua nui rawa te maunga mō ngā maruhiri nā nei. There's the mountain, just a bit much to climb for Ngā Motu. Engari kare e kore. Ka whawhai tonu rātou tai noa ki te wihara whakamutunga. No doubt they'll keep that fight up right until the final whistle. There's the reset. Restart, I should say. Put high and bouncing almost higher. And Ngā Motu, by the looks of things, getting through and potentially stealing it here. And the clearing kick from Tauranga. As now Ngā Motu. Centering in once more, and now looking to drive. Here comes Lalumo, stepping breaking tackles. Kawaiho Kinga Paumua Meki. They'll leave it to the forwards to drive their way up. Now that 22-metre line crossed. Going to grounds. Jake Brady. Throws the dummy, now the offload. Fetana Maitona Waiwai Mato, stepping off his right foot was the number 21, Tyler Guckett. Heri Mangamite Toinai Nine, now 5 metres left. Fafayana, Motai Watarai fighting to get one more as now Ngamotu. Horapana ki te taha Maui, good hands. And the finish in the corner. There's the try they were after. New Plymouth Boys strike back. Toru Teko Mawhitsu ki te Teko, 37 plays 10. Te kuru whakau kei te haere mai te taha Maui. Difficult conversion to come from the left-hand side, but no doubts with his skill, Lalu Mo will be thinking he can add the extra 2 here. Te whanake te haere. It was a good strike just away to the left for New Plymouth. No reira. Ka noho tonu ki reira. We will remain at 37 to 10. Te kaunga minutes here toia nei tēnei kēmu just left in this fixture. Can Tauranga close this one out? Can New Plymouth come back? Maybe even seal a bonus point. As the kick will come in for Curtis. Taken in by Ngamotu. So now they shift it across. Takuarua Aoki. Dāhunei kua he. Taku whakaingoa I te tangata I whiwhitau a kāri whero. I think I made a mistake there in picking who received that red card. It may have in fact been the fullback, Tommy McCoyd. There's now Ngamotu. Tukua no ki taua tahata wahi. They'll send it across that far sideline. Te rāriki waho ke tonu I te haurua o Tauranga. And the line outs from within Tauranga territory. E tai whakawhiti. E uru ana ki te kēmu mai te pai. O Ngamotu ko te āhua nei. Substitutions coming in from the Ngamotu bench. It is the number 16, Jake Brady, making his way onto the field. Taken in as now New Plymouth rushing up the Tauranga line. Little whanarewa there. Nā te kaipariro matau. Oh, look to give it off to his man on the right-hand side. It was a fantastic little bit of action there from Kore Piti Balin. Marika taua no kia Tauranga. Ia rātau e nganana ki te kōkiri mai tō rātau ake rua te kaumarua mita as they look to drive it out from inside their own 22. Clearing kick charged. Tau tonu kia Tauranga, sharp reactions there from Wesley. My apologies from Matsu Te Maipi. Now the kick to the near sideline. Crosses over. Tatatonu ki te kaumita, close to the 10-metre line. Thought about going quickly. Tauranga getting up, closing down that option. Will be the number 7 for Ngamotu. Nate Werder, jack of all trades to put it in.
She's back.
Ooh, almost stolen there by Tauranga. As now the number 21, Tyler Guckett. Driven back. And now they look to spread it. Kitera taha maui. Kei reira ngā āputa, kei ngā taha e rua. That's where the gaps are on both of the two sidelines with that man in the bin for Tauranga. As now they look to drive once more. Ka nukunuku nai nei ki tēnei taha tata. Now they'll shift it across to this near side. Little short pass. Wrestle to ground. Taha tonu tēnei. Taiapa no Tauranga. Engari te rutu māhunga no another high tackle. Ko te tumanako nei he mea moro tinoa. Hopefully just a minor one. He's quickly back to his feet. There's Lalumo. Plays with such intensity, wasting no time. Bouncing back up. Ka titiro ki te taha tata nei. He'll look to this near sideline. Ono ngā minutes here toi nei tēnei kēmu. Just 6 minutes left in this fixture. Tauranga, mā te rua te kau mā whitu. Engari mehe mea ka taia. E ngā motu te whai i ngā tarai e rua. Hei reira tonu te piru āpiti me ki. If ngā motu can find a couple tries here. Bonus points still up for grabs as that line out goes long, and now Tauranga running hard was the number 16, Sopa. Ua haere whakamua mai tētahi o ngā ringa o ngā motu. Going forward off a new Plymouth hand is now Tauranga. Centering once more. Me te rutu māhunga. High tackle now called. It might have been a seatbelt actually. Against ngā motu. Nō reira Tauranga. Ka titiro no ki te taha. Tā wāhi rā. They'll look once more to the far sideline. Making a whole heck of noise. Hopefully none of that construction site's taken any damage. Engari ko te rāring ki wahua no. Kia Tauranga, kei roto tonu i te haurua o ngā motu. They've dealt with that man in the bin absolutely beautifully. Can they continue in that same vein? So now they send it over the back. Not straight, the call. Kua pera ngā tima e rua I tēnei kēmu. Both teams have struggled a little bit in that aspect over the course of this fixture. And they might look to run it out here. No. You're going to put up the bomb. And a bomb it is from Lalumo. Coming down with snow on it, but taken beautifully at the back for Tauranga. Viren. To Ron. Toa. Mahunga no, another high tackle. And he pupuhirua, a double blow. Te rapea he kāri kei te haere. Mō ngā motu. It is a yellow card for New Plymouth. It will be 14 on 14 when they minutes the F bar kei te haere for the remaining 4 minutes. Curtis, fantastic kick. Tight angle. Nari kua whaia I te raina. Tata tonu ki taua rua te kaumā rua mita. He's found the line close to that 22. And it will be a Sopa. O reira hea heinga. Mō Tauranga. Ki te hapiti te pani reka ki tēnei kēmu. Chance for Tauranga to ice this game as now they shift it right. Strong carry up the centre. Kei reira tonu ngā nama ki taua tahamatau. Numbers still away to that right hand side as now ngā motu get across to cover. Kia no ki taha maui. Te wheta. Tata ki te tāhai. Great offload. Finds his man on the left hand wing. Te kaunga mita e toiana, just about 10 metres short now. Tauranga. Tuku no ki wainga nui. driving their way forwards now. Ka wai hoki ngā Paumua. A kōkiri ki te raina. They're going to let the big boys try and drive their way over here. Penalty called offside against New Plymouth. Will they tap and go? No, they will scrum. E rua noanga minutes ia toa nei tēnei kēmu. Tera pia koi nei te mahi whakamutunga o te kēmu nei. Perhaps the last play of the game. It will be an 8-on-8 scrum. One man lost from the two respective backlines. Tera pia kangana a Tauranga. Ki te neke neke I taua pōro. Ki te taha matau. No, in fact, a 7-man scrum for Tauranga. Might look to shift that ball wide. Kia Tauranga te whāngai. Tauranga with the scrum feed. Scrum starts to wheel and now they look to go left. Getting up, but he was offside. Was the reserved halfback for Ngāmotu. Te wheta. Mai tōna wai matau. Stepping with his right foot. Now, just inches away. Tauranga. Kōkiri tonu ana. Still driving. Squinaina ki te taha matau. Now they look to shift it out to the right-hand side. They've got numbers away. Stepping. Finding the gap. Trying to free his hands. Ball's gone backwards. Me te whakamutunga I te kokona matau. And the finish in the right-hand corner. I ki te kaiawhina. Ana, I tika. Assistant says no worries e hoa. No reira koira te mai whakamutunga o te kēmu nei. That will be the final play of the game. And it will be a Tauranga try. With a chance to add the two. For what has been a dominant performance by the hosts. And it will be Theron. Mai te taha matau. Hei āpiti te kuru whakahu. Kāoko te whana whakahu tērā. Getting my basketball and my futupolo mixed up. The conversion attempt from Theron. Coming in from the right-hand side. Ka poto noa, no reira koira te whakamutunga o te kēmu nei. That is the end of this fixture. Tauranga, kua toa mā te toru te kaumārua ki runga I a Ngāmotu. The hosts taking a 32-point win over New Plymouth Boys. No reira me mihi anō ki ngā tima e rua. Kua mauri mai e rātou te ngāo. Me te hika ki tēnei kēmu. Big shout out once more to both these two teams who have brought plenty of excitement and energy into what has been a fantastic Super 8 fixture here in the Bay of Plenty. No re te whānau, ko tātou tērā. Koira te whakamutunga o te pāpāhotanga nei, that is us, the end of the broadcast. And so until next time, until next week, kua hau tērā, ko Toby, hei a kua nei.